guys, this is Jessa and this is a quick tip for some social media. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to repurpose your product images for a beautiful Pinterest pin. Now typically on Pinterest we are using a 2:3 ratio, which means that the images are ideally long and thin like this, and that is because these images, which are long and thin, they take up the most space when you do a search. So that is what you want. You want to be taking up as much real estate, visual real estate, in a search. So we're going to be going for a size of 1000 pixels by 1500 pixels, which is a 2:3 ratio. Now the problem with this is typically our product images, they aren't that shape. Like, it's very unusual to see a product image of that shape. Normally they're a square or even like a landscape rectangle. In this case here, mine are squares. So I'm going to show you how to create a template using Canva that you can use again and again and again with your current product images, which you can then post on Pinterest in that ideal size. So I'm going to jump across to Canva. Now, canva.com is totally free. There is a paid version, but like the free version is amazing. Anyone can use it. Anyone can sign up. You just need an email address. So definitely highly recommend it. Now in Canva, we're going to want to go up to create a design. Hit create a design. We're going to hit custom size. We're going to type in 1000 by 1500 px or pixels. So make sure that is selected and just hit create new design. Awesome. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I've saved these files to my desktop, so they're ready to go. Back in Canva, I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to go upload media. I'm going to go to my device because that's where my images are. I'm going to grab those images and upload them. So they are just uploading in Canva and they'll be ready to go. The next thing that I'm going to do is go to the Elements panel and I'm going to scroll down to Grids. I'm going to click See All, and there's lots and lots of combinations, so just use whichever one you want to. In this case, my product image is originally a square and it's got some text on it, so I'm just going to go for like a double layer and I'm going to drag that and drop it in there, and that will automatically create a design for me. So if I go back to uploads, I can now just drag and drop my images in like that. And that is a beautiful Pinterest friendly pin. I'm going to go download. I'm going to select JPEG. I'm going to bump the quality right up, hit download, and that is going to download to my download folder. And I'm going to show you how easy it is now for me to make another pin from that. So I'm just going to go to a new product. I'm going to go and save some images. I'm going to jump back into Canva, go to uploads, upload media, device. I'm going to find those graphics that I just grabbed off my website. And what I'm going to do now is just pop them in there. And we're done. It's like under a minute to create this Pinterest friendly pin now. It's fantastic. So that is going to download, and I'm going to show you quickly how I'm going to upload them to Pinterest. So go to your Pinterest, click Saved, and all your boards will appear. To the far right, hit the plus button, hit Pin. Now we're going to upload those images, which will have downloaded to our download folder. I'm going to do the blue one first. So this is my social media post template. I'm going to pop it in here. I'm going to directly link to that product. So I'm just copy and pasting in the URL, pasting it in there. I'm going to, Canva template sounds like a good place to put it. So we might put in Canva tips, and I'm going to hit publish. Beautiful. And now if I hit see your pin, it's all in here and I can just click that and it'll go directly to my product, which is fantastic. So I hope this helps.
It's a technique that I use a lot. I use it for even invitation mock-ups. So it's really, really handy. I hope you love it and I hope it's helpful.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.